Hi, I'm Leah and welcome to the award-winning Renter Space. If you're thinking about renting office or commercial space, you've definitely come to the right place. Come with me and I'll show you a bit more about how it all works. We have a community of local business here and our building has become a hive of enterprise and creativity. With a wide range of trade counter units, 2 floors of office space and thousands of square foot of internal workspace, we're really confident we can tailor the right solution to meet your exact needs. Current occupiers of trade units include a beauty salon, a florist, a gentleman's barbers, a vape store, and many more. Internally, our range of offices can be suitable for one person or a team of people. And our workshops are a flexible and cost-effective way of helping your business to grow. The big question is, how can we make our space work for you? So, as you can see, we've got so much going on here, but the question is, how can we help you? Send me an email, drop in and see me, or give me a phone call. I'm really confident there's a tailor-made solution to suit your exact needs. That's it from me, and I hope to see you soon.